Panusa leitak ni nihin Australia pe papa leitak ni Roland Jor Tenda Mandian. Is it connected?
It's connected, look.
Okay. Is it noise cancellation?
Yes.
So my son, Johanna, ada karakota. Yeah. Yeah.
Order here.
Yeah. Oh, we have to order here. Johanna, you need to. Can you? Are you going to order?
Chef kaya doon po lang eh. Kamat ka pa.
You don't want. What are you going to eat?
Mama. Ma sa boy ma din lai hai ba kaya
Susan, Atse, na.
Ano pa ka lang?
Abu na uniform dia Atse, man dia. Wow.
Line up ba tuan? Line up everyone.
Susan, do you want to say something? Yeah, say something. Hello is not enough. Talk to the camera.
We're just stalking people.
Oh, Atse, nan boy tuk something. Wow. Ka, ai. Ka. Mahal. Lepas, nuan pi dia betul nasio dia. Ah, nuan sumpo. Betul juga sama saya. Australia Zope Community Cup sangka. Dia ni tu tak. Betul. Saya mahu tahu timah pun dang macam setek dah nak dang kau tan dia. Abu was uniform macam ni. Abu uniform.
Well, maybe stop. Okay, next.
Wait, I'm going to take a photo. This is for food that they prepared for today.
Don't take one.
Tapi nu dia. Sampai nak cuma tertanya saja nak kau atau ni tu betul ni sih. Okay. Sana tu nak cuma berai tu lampai tak. Awak hanya tu nak dulu nak. Aje kau kata tu kau tu kena bina sih, nak sih. Sama. Atu hi leitak ni role juara kah, ya so pick up Australia so pick up kah. Leitak ni tendan ongi role dan manin juara. They prepare well.
Alright, next one. Let's go.
Let's see. Huh? Hey. Hello.
I think we
Miss.
Peter.
Let's see what the food items are. Now, let's see the price. Jonan, can you check the price?
Should come for $5 sausage, $5.
Oh.
Mango chill with
So,
chili.
my hair.
$10.
Australia pick up roll and me a mansi. Wow.
Ice pointy.
Oh wow. That's a massive fruit bowl. Is $50.
$50, hey Peter.
And oh no, V becomes a V $5. That's good, not
That's
so
green.
bad. Coca-Cola $3. Wow.
Ah, you want to.
Oh, that's cheap. That's cheap.
Oh, you have coffee.
Yeah. Coffee. Where is coffee? Oh, coffee $5. I will take that one.
No.
Yeah. Oh, let's see the other.
After this, we have to film.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
But we don't run into that.
Huh?
MCC girl.
The MCC girl.
Are you gonna record it if you see it?
Yeah. Let's go around.
Oh, good thing we're here. Abba, what do you support? Who do you support?
Hey, Johan. Morning. Mister.
Morning.
Okay. Let's see.
What?
So how do you go? Hello.
I don't think the boys don't.
Yeah.
Go,
that's okay.
go. Alright, I want to go that volleyball.
Wait, no.
This one's
Oh, this is a pre-practice.
Are you sure?
Is it this one?
I think.
Hả? Ai, nó phải tiền ta? Okay. Nó phi ra mà.
Pita kau.
On tout ça. Okay. Tu hai hulu ma, ebule.
Vong tu and Shiki.
Okay, that's avant pour que avant tout. Ano si pia ma? Okay. Tu here ship là bon tu nien ben là. Ship nu no ngak an si.
Sẽ là voi thum tiêu
Okay.
libro nan du la voi thum tiêu kho voi thum chum cho
Interview with the
Long time. Yeah. He's a new chairman. He's a ruler now. He's a boss. So you need to, yeah. For 2 years, he's the big boss in Australia. Yeah. So all of look, Prime Minister, all of these people under he's the boss, the big boss, bigger than Hemby's dad. Yeah. And people can boss something.
Next one.
Wait. Let's see.
Are you?
Wait. One two girls and 3 girls. They're going to play. Anak ni he, one two and see.
ni along
And my hair CP, see. Hello. Want to say something?
Hi guys.
Are you excited?
No.
Are you expecting winning?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Expecting win. Yeah. She said she likes.
So my hair CP conference. To hear CP แล้ววงตัวนี้แบ่งหลายนูจังหลาย
Let's pray for her.
ตัวเพคครับyeah celebration อันตัวเลี้ยวที่สำคัญโอ้ท่านจำเลี้ยว sorry okay
Okay, she peed. Next. 3, 2, 1, she peed! Dang it! Next one.
Wait. Want to and CP put that first.
Is the card so much full?
No, it can't be.
Roughly the camera. Save the camera.
Wait. We have anak ni uniform have wrong to no. Wait. I need to stay away a little bit. My hair purple. I'm Bangladesh here.
Go next.
Hey! You know what? Hey, we are going to interview her. Take this. No, you're so beautiful. Okay, now we are going to interview. How do you think? You enjoy
I'm
today?
feeling today.
Yeah?
Yes, I'm feeling very grateful.
Yeah.
A lot of people.
Okay.
Yeah, kanongeti.
Okay. Are you prepared?
Yes.
Wow.
2 months.
Yeah. So, what is your expectation of winning? Is it volleyball or soccer or what?
I want to get soccer,
Yeah.
men's soccer, and
Yeah.
women volleyball.
Yeah. So, you guys are combined with Dongram, right?
No, just
No?
ourselves.
Oh.
Yeah, getting long
Okay.
okay. Bad.
Yeah, but I heard in the rumors they said that you guys invited Dongram.
Yes, to play with us, but it'll just be other Ponglang name.
Oh, okay. So, this year you well prepared.
Yes.
Yeah. I hope that you're winning, right?
Yes. How about you guys?
Yeah. I'm not sure. This is a long time boy. Are you preparing for anything? No. All right. Thank you.
Already interviewed, but all good.
Huh? Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Sudha.
Yeah, thank you. See? So we need to interview someone again. Like, who will be the best person to interview? Maybe Ngalang or Leka? Yeah. Hey, let's interview this girl.
Which one?
So, what are you preparing?
For what?
You think that you're gonna win this year?
I'm confident
Yeah.
that my men's volleyball team will win.
Okay.
We played the first game against
Yeah.
Kabul and we
Yeah.
won 2 sets.
All right.
Yeah.
So, Yung Lang, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, especially girls. What about the boys? Usually, the boys are always the best player back in the country, back in Ngalang.
Well, the girls currently they're still little kids.
Yeah.
So maybe in 2 years' time,
Okay.
yeah, it will get better. It will be everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this year,
This year, we're just here to play for fun, you know. To
what
have
about
fun.
soccer for the
Soccer?
boys?
They've been training a lot.
Yeah.
Like 4 times a week.
Okay.
So I'm hoping that we'll have a chance to win.
Yeah.
Or be in the finals.
Yeah.
I just hope that we win.
Okay. Sure. Yeah. Thank you for your interview. Right. Join on. So that's what you do. See, she's good. Yeah. Let's go to
next.
another one.
Let's go to.
No. Let's go to.
No, let's go find Yellow.
No, which one? Later. I think let's see your.
Let's do it, girl. Boys don't. No, the boys don't care.
Huh? The boys don't care. Okay, let's see. What is it? What is later camp?
Like that camera.
Huh?
I don't know.
Let's do some. Philip, hey! What? Cầm bà phải video recording cần tuần hay. Okay. Oh, see, all latexes are gone.
Yeah, I don't know where they went.
Sarah, how are you? You want to do an interview? Come on. Come on, do it. So, Yung Lang, right?
Yes.
Yes. How prepared are you? Are you thinking of winning this year?
I think so.
What happened? Come on. Okay. They got scared, Jonah. Look at that.
Ai vui đi, lên chụp bà lên. Bà em thăm lên. Nó nói cái
If we do like Well, interview them. Okay. You need to take it. Talk about something today. You know, how do you feel? Yeah? Wait, just one moment. Yeah, you need to talk. So she's our idol. And so tell your name.
Hello, Kamang Batading Atang. Many people know me as Zoe as well. So
Yeah.
hi everyone. Today is the Zope Cup.
Yep.
It's so fun. I've only just arrived and so far the competition is very, very competitive.
Okay. What's your preparation for today or this year? Do you think that Kabung will probably win any of the game? Soccer or volleyball or anything? What are you expecting this year?
Okay, well I just watched the first one where it was volleyball men, Malang versus Kabung. Unfortunately, we lost that one.
Which one? I didn't watch it.
Ngalang versus Kabung, we did lose that one, but it's okay. That was our first loss.
Yeah.
We can still come back up. Volleyball women, we haven't started, but I'm very confident this year. Like we're gonna become number one.
Okay, let's hope that. So you did train.
Yes, we trained a lot.
Yeah.
We put a lot of training. We put a lot of prayers
Yeah.
into this. So I'm so confident we will come number one.
You know
Second,
that
maybe.
Kabung, you know the executive chairman was elected. Chairman is Kabung, Muthanger.
Oh.
You know he's the head of the AZC now for
Yeah.
2 years. The next 2 years. So you guys will be our leader for 2 years. How do you think about that?
I think that's really, really like it's a wonderful opportunity. I think everyone should all have the chance to lead because who knows, you know, they might come up with something new ideas and It's always good for some changes.
Yeah.
So I like
right.
that.
Yeah. Well, let's hope that you.
Can I tell?
Yeah.
I think for women volleyball, Kabung first.
Yeah.
Second, maybe Pongklang, and then.
What
third-
about Long Tlang?
I was gonna say third Longklang.
I think Long Tlang for the male it's okay, but for the female, I think we are weak. Yeah, we are not going to. I don't have much. I don't have much hope on that. But Kabung for the female, I think you are
Number
right.
one, yeah.
Last year, even you were so good last year, right?
I didn't play last year.
Right,
But Kabung, yeah.
I know you're too young during that time. Yeah. Let's hope that you.
Australia Zombie Community wasn't last year. It was like
Oh, the year before. Yeah, you are right. Yes.
No,
So-
but thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Are you preparing to support anything like tonight? Are you coming?
yes.
Yeah.
For we're doing dance,
Yeah.
and I'm doing the dance as
I
well.
heard that the Kabung, dances will probably perform by, the older people.
I mean, the older people is just only like 3 people. Me, I'm included in the old people. Yeah.
Alright.
Stanley's the oldest person. So
I heard that the grandmas are playing something. Is it not? No.
I can't tell you. You have to watch.
Oh, okay. That's a secret for us then. Yeah, because my wife told me that there will be some performance from like grandma or something like that. I'm not
Wow, words get
Have you
around
heard it?
fast.
Do you
Yes,
know?
but they
Yeah,
will
that's-
be in it, but I won't tell you what they're doing.
sure. Okay. Yeah, you're gonna surprise us then.
Yeah, and then I'm also supporting my sister Rosalie. She'll
Yeah.
be doing Idol for Kabung. So I
Oh
think-
wow. Let's hope that, right?
Yeah, let's
Thank you
hope.
so much for your time. Appreciate
you.
it. Yeah. Can I have it? Yeah.
I have to hold it. No, you to hold it. So you take it.
Not the kid. Let's see.
We're going to interview some little girls now.
Someone. Oh, who?
Little girls.
The little girl. They are going to scare. Who's this girl? Hello.
Hey, no. Don't put that in the
This is my girl. Yeah. 那么小可不是要鼓励噻？
Tang re terus tu kita kat tu sah tu mai. Maka peki pelik dah kan. Peki pelik sang be. Peki sang.
어.
That's okay.
자, 아토 뽑을래? 좀 친대라.
Tu sah tu mai.
오케이.
Hey, Jason.
Ngalang kalong tang.
Jason.
아짱짱 같이. No, let's go. Come on.
Should we go?
Huh?
Oh, it's okay.
We're done. We're done.
But we're not.
Yeah? We need to go in there. Let's go and show.
We can't interview the.
Wait. Huh?
Wait, is Rachel's dad like the boss now?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
See, Alicia is cooking something. Let's go and have that. Oh, Alicia. Wow, Alicia is doing something. What's that? See? Can you record Alicia? See, Alicia is doing something here. Look. Wow. Joanna? Record it. Yeah. Oh, how much you pay for that? What? $2 only?
I don't know.
Oh. Wow. Is it good? Okay. Hey, what are you getting? Huh? What are you getting? Okay, Alicia is selling something. Let's see how. Wow. Oh, wait. That's a creative. Okay. She's cooking something. Let's see. Oh,
I like my hair instead.
like. Oh. Wow, Johanna.
Well, I'm
You
here.
need to capture, yeah. Alicia is the best. Look. Wow. She just pour powder and then became like, what's this?
Cotton candy.
What's that?
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy?
No, cotton candy.
Cotton candy. Yeah, is it for you? Huh? Wow. Jenna, you want to eat some? You want to get this?
No.
Yeah.
We're not spending my money.
So Alicia is collecting from there. So that the yellow part, and then she poured there, and then became like that. Wow.
Next.
Next.
It's
Okay, show me. Is it good?
Yeah.
Just talk to me. How good is it? Sweet? Bitter? Tell me.
It's very good.
Just have a one bite.
Tastes like
Yeah.
tastes like food for us.
Yeah. So you pay how much? You pay $2?
Five.
$5 for that? Wow.
5 or 2.
So 5, 10, 15 so far. Liz. 저는 Okay. Wow.
Lang không là về nằm chung như vậy. Lang lên thằng cái kia này chỉ lang là về.
Rosman, now.
Cái trái sẽ còn từ trong sai cái này.
Okay. Yeah, she's going to say something. Yeah. Who?
$5 mine.
Russell, whose idea is this? So Isaac, she's Isaac. Just yeah. Let's see her name tag. Wow.
That's me.
Yeah.
Hello.
She's our president or chairman.
So I'm both.
Both. Okay.
Okay,
So-
your turn, yeah?
So we have our cotton candy station here, and then over there is our game booth. So if you have time, go have a look at that one.
I already went there.
That'll be great.
Johanna got a pen here.
Alright, don't touch it.
We paid $20 for this.
Okay.
Yeah, now, okay.
Okay, that's her glove. They will change it for that.
Pepe is doing it. I don't know. I'm not sure whether she's been trained.
You shall find out.
Yeah, Lisha is going to train her.
Yeah,
So
it's good for me, good for me after.
I think you will make a fortune this today. I think I'm hopeful because the kids will love it.
Wow, Stocky super.
Wow, this is bigger than the previous one.
You're so
Wow.
So pain.
You're so good at it.
Yeah. So this is run by ISAP. So the ISAP means International Zopa Education Program, and then used by the youth. They are
This one's $5 one.
You guys have $5?
Nah, we have $2. Yeah, $4 altogether.
Okay, we also make $2 size.
oh, this is very big.
It's $5.
Oh, bigger than. Oh wow.
I have $5.
Oh, you want to buy it?
Yeah.
too? Buy it.
No, heavy.
When you buy from here, you are supporting the people who are uneducated, which is good.
Inside, yeah. After
Okay. Pembe is going to pour on that. Wait.
It's off the ongoing now. When it pours in the hole.
So
Free one.
and then. So they're going to pour that powder into that hole.
Yeah, because
And then.
Về mất thì cứ cho thằng bé. Nó gonna yell at me, yeah. $2.
So now. We're gonna have a bubble. Wow.
$5.
Okay.
Yeah, there's $2 ones available. $2 one is a half. Okay, we're done here.
Wait. Let's finish this one. Oh, there's a. Oh, it looks like there's a fire inside. Oh,
There's no fire, it's just heating up.
oh yeah. Wow.
It tastes good too, surprisingly.
Lisa is doing this.
Another one?
yeah, another one.
Okay. Sila, Alicia, aku zoomkan zo. Wow. Yeah, they got plenty of them. They got plenty of them.
More.
Oh, hey, so wait. People like that, yeah. Oh, wow.
I ain't
So
paying.
it's basically the kids liked it.
Because it's sugar.
So they
Oh, it's all hold it. Look at the money.
no.
No, he was trying to interview me and I got so scared.
Why?
Because I could see it.
Why? Sarah. Yeah, I think they're going to make a huge benefit because kids are lots of kids are here. Yeah.
It's the wingman.
Oh, you guys need money?
Jonah, I'm going. What?
Oh my my camera's covered in floss.
Yes. Oh. Now, go pick up.
Graphics so good on this.
Soccer and Italian. They're playing soccer. Yeah, leader di perumit yang tu lah. Siapa? Confidential tak?
If you write your name, yeah, your live name, she will say Emily.
Hey, you have to do it for Kabung. So, huh? So, are you prepared for Kabung? What are you expecting?
To win.
To win what? What are you going to win? Tell me.
I'm expecting
Soccer?
to win everything.
Everything? How did you lose?
That's just the start. We're still gonna go up.
Yeah,
so.
today you lose.
Today's just
Is
a
it soccer?
warm-up.
Is it soccer?
Warm-up.
Yeah. I heard that you guys are very well prepared to win female volleyball. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you part of it?
No, I'm just
Why don't you? You don't know how to play?
I don't know how to play, but I'm here to give support.
Okay. So are you the leader so far? Who is Kabung leader for the youth? Emily?
No,
The mic is not even connected.
They are Ka.
RM? Okay, where is she?
She's
I didn't see her.
somewhere.
So,
Emily is part of our EC.
so Emily, you need to do. Hey, Emily, come on. Talk.
Nervous.
Yeah. Don't get
For
scared.
YouTube. It's for YouTube.
Kabung people never get scared.
Oh, I am scared.
Support her.
Hey, support her. Support.
Yeah.
Support.
Yeah, Johanna is recording too, you know. So Emily is going to say something about her feeling today.
I'm very excited to be here.
Yeah.
I just wish the weather was a little bit better. I did pray for good weather, but hopefully we get some good weather tomorrow. So yeah, it's really fun. I've been looking forward to this one.
Are you the coach?
No, I'm a player, volleyball player.
Okay, so I heard that Kabung, female volleyball teams are very well prepared. Thinking of winning this year.
The plan is to win. We are confident that we will win. Yes, we had a lot of preparation. We've been training for almost 3 to 4 months now. Yeah.
Okay, can you guess who for soccer? What village will probably win this year? Just a guess.
Village, I think it's kind of predicted that Mokdu will win, but I want the underdogs, who should I say? Longtang to win.
All right, sure, yeah, wow. Thank you for that. What about the volleyball for male? I mean, I'm talking about male.
It'll be a quite close game because we have a lot of young. I've seen a lot of the young players starting to join. I think it'll be either. I want Kabul to win. Kabul will win, but maybe second place or maybe Longtang.
Okay, wow. In USA, we win. We won almost everything.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's USA. This is Australia.
Yeah, let's see. Nomi. Hello. Okay, Nomi will be joining us. Are you Zepai representative? Hey, don't remember.
Hello.
Yes, Nomi.
Welcome to Nomia Chang.
Okay. Sabui, Reverend William Afanu Opabik. She's a very reliable girl. I love her.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. So how well prepared where you Zepai, yeah.
So,
Whatever you
okay.
want.
So you know, Zepai, we're a minority
Yeah.
in Melbourne. There's not a lot of us. However, you know, we all work together. The men's helped us. You know, our moms helped us. And although initially Melbourne members were only 4, all our family and friends from Adelaide and Brisbane and Perth joined us and helped us. And now, Kantingai, we're
Okay.
a full team and we're working hard. Yeah.
From interstate, how many people came?
So around 10 people.
Wow.
Yeah. So we got a lot of support from them.
They you
ใคร
know,
ชามอยาก
they
มี
use
ทางอันตัวโม่
sponsor them or is just come
Yes, of course, of course.
Okay.
So, you know, we assisted with the payments, at least half of it. And out of their own pocket, you know, they gave for us too. So, we're so thankful to them. Yeah, we can't do this without them, so we're so appreciative of them.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that means 50-50. They have to spend 50%,
Yeah,
and then
but their stay here and other things like accommodation, food, and stuff like that, we provide.
Wow.
But yeah, they did pay half of their
wow,
tickets.
you guys are so generous.
No,
So
they're so
what
amazing.
what are you expecting to win this year?
Oh, everything. We're gonna try for everything. But we have, you know, volleyball is our specialty. So
Okay.
hopefully volleyball.
Oh, is it the female or male?
Both female and
Okay,
male.
let's see.
Yeah.
But Longtang always win.
Longtang do always win, but I think this year our boys are very well prepared. All the young ones have grown up. You know, they're men
Yeah,
now.
I know.
Okay, so you know, hopefully this year we've got it.
Oh,
Yeah.
sure. Nomi, thank you so much
Thank
for
you
your
so
time. I really
much.
appreciate
Thank
it.
you. Bye, everyone.
Yeah.
Someone has a gimbal. Someone has a gimbal.
Oh no. Yeah, let's see. No.
ในตะเพียงเดียวเด็กค่ะนั้นขดนี้ในตักโดดที่จงนักอาปลาที่นาเซโลจะโทนทันนา
Olivia nu he ama he zo
พม่าจะโอลิเวียนุกัดสัง
Oh, zo pe kapo pole ta ama te ma sport no muka. Ni chulang ung khang na ta ring po cha abo kong te ting ta very faithful girl. Very reliable. Thank you, Olivia nu.
Thank you.
Huh? Are you going to swap?
Oh yeah. We almost deleted
No.
the video.
Time to time you stop and record again because it's easier to do video editing, right?
But-
This one is a live streaming, so.
So I have to
nothing
pause
worry.
it.
Let's go and find your mom, and we'll do.
I paused it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's keep going.
Let's do interview to your mom.
No!
Huh? Why?
Imagine you interview to that
Yeah.
MCC girl.
Yeah.
I saw her, but you don't want to interview her.
Yeah.
Okay, there.
Yeah.
This one, well, bad.
So.
Oh, we got the drummer boy. Boy.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh. Hello. Oh, live กันทับอ่ะกระเทยเราตัวที่นู่ชวนนองรัวกันนองแอนที่Okay, let's go.
Yo, my favorite.
Hey! Oh no!
Oh, no.
Oh, almost go.
I see.
I see what you see. What? We got friend? Yeah.
You shut up.
Yeah. Let's go and talk to her then.
Oh, you want to talk to her?
Yeah, we do.
She's gone now.
Yeah. Let's go and
Over to the candy.
do interview. You recording?
I'm not recording. You told me to pause that time.
Yeah. Oh, what's that?
As a pose.
저기 봐. Hey. 오다.
I move my hand.
Yeah.
Oh, she's gone. Oh, she's right there.
Where? Let's go and do an interview to her.
You want the interview?
Yeah. Young, you want to do some interview? Take it. So Yang is going to talk about something, how she feels today, right? Talk about your feeling.
I feel
Yeah, what do you do? What? So now record her. Yeah. Are you recording her? Yeah. Yeah.
I feel fantastic,
Yeah.
and I hope Leitok is winning.
Are you hungry? You want to buy?
What?
What are you saying right now?
Yeah. Can we buy you something? What do you want? Huh? That one? That one?
Oh, he said he's paid. I'm not
Yeah, let's go. I'm paying for her. Let's go.
You're so lucky.
Yeah.
Come on, do it.
So you think that she's lucky?
No.
Talk about it.
Never mind.
Oh, never mind. Why? Let's go. Yeah.
Where are we going? Come
Yeah, we are going to buy for Yang Yang. Yeah.
Okay, you're paying,
Yeah.
not me.
Yeah.
I'm going to McDonald's.
Yeah, Yang, come on.
I'm going to McDonald's.
Now Johanna is going to buy it.
Hey, I'm not paying. I'm not going.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay. So, Yang Yang is yeah, so you can interview people, right? So interview your friend.
Okay, what's your name? No.
Yeah.
Red. They have a boyfriend.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, anyways, what's your age?
No, you are.
Yes, you have to say it.
Yeah.
She's
Okay.
10. Okay.
So we're gonna order for you. Yeah.
Sure, yeah.
And yeah.
Hey!
So for I think for $5. Yeah. Want to order yourself? Take it.
Okay, but I need money.
Ah, why
Yeah,
so
yeah,
long?
I have money. Don't worry, I'll pay for you.
He has $500. I spent a little.
Yeah, I
I
have
can tell.
money. Yeah.
What? What do you say? Oh, I almost delete that.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll interview and we'll follow her.
Wow,
Okay.
that's stalking.
That's kind of funny though.
So I think later people
Yeah, I'm late.
no, we'll just put it on. That's okay.
Actually, I'm actually getting home.
Yeah, that's okay.
It's
Don't,
cold. What do you mean cold?
don't worry about it. So go and get it, and then I think $5 is yeah.
$5.
I'll pay for you. Yeah. Or you want to pay?
Hey, you want to
By
pay?
yourself?
You want to pay?
No.
Jenna, can you hold on? Can you hold on?
Hold it.
You're paying or what?
I hold it.
Okay.
Yeah, he'll be
No.
Bro, I'm holding two items. What do you want me to do?
Okay. So yeah, just
What? Oh,
for $5. Yeah. Because you did a great job. So Yang is
Johanna, do you
all-
have a girlfriend?
I seen her yesterday
oh yeah. So yeah.
and 2 weeks before. It's
Did
Sunday.
I? Oh yeah, because I went to church. Oh yeah, we went to church.
You know, Johanna sleeps with me all the time.
You sleep in my bedroom.
Yeah, we sleep together.
Because this,
We are
my,
like a
my
brother,
mom
yeah?
snores too loud and this guy
Yeah.
left her.
Yeah.
It's true.
We just mom just sleep by herself, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Johanna and I.
I think she
sleep
does
together.
come to my house and you see my music room.
Oh yeah.
I have a drum and
No.
electric guitar.
You want to invite her to come to our house?
No, I don't want her to see the cat.
Yeah, we have a cat. Yeah. You know the name of our cat?
Huh?
You know the name of our cat?
Is it the Ace for
Ace.
Huh?
Ace. We name our cat before that person. You got it right?
Of course I'm eating. Okay.
Hello. Are you getting something? Oh. Yeah. Oh, belakang kita. Lah.
What does it feel like?
Yeah.
What does it feel like?
Don't let other people take over you.
Does it feel like what?
You're after her. Yeah.
No, hold on. I'll take the picture.
What?
Speak.
Say back. What does it feel like? Does she know? She has a boyfriend called
Look.
Joseph.
Look.
Hey, don't
Long
touch
down.
it.
Then star.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, your hair. My hair was not like this. It was curled.
Yeah. We cut it. I cut him low taper fade. You know that? You know low taper. I said, you know low taper fade?
No,
Yeah.
my sister gave me curls.
Yeah. This is for low taper
He's
fade.
behind me.
I have a picture. I have a picture of the curls.
Yeah.
Oh, you show? You want to show her?
The pictures of my hair.
Then you have a look.
Oh yeah. I don't think he knows. But,
Oh, show. Where is it?
wow. So I'm in that place.
Show her.
Yeah, sure.
What up?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm next.
That's
You
my
like
hair.
it?
You look better.
Yeah.
You look better back last year.
I agree. Like this, right? The haircut. See, I told you. This
Yeah,
is the
I told you.
better. This
I
one's
told
no
you.
good.
That balls cut. I'm not getting that.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Is
Okay.
it just me? She got short.
Let
I'm worried
Yang
how you
Yang
use
talk.
Oh yeah.
Let Yang Yang talk.
Okay.
You don't
does,
talk.
does your dad know about it?
No about
Like
what?
last year, you know.
He's scared. Yeah. Wait, what?
Does he know about last year?
No, I don't.
Like-
I never seen you last year.
Yes, you did. When it
Johanna,
was I think it was
Johanna
maybe
is
Daniel
ve-
Prayer.
Johanna is a very good at like hiding.
Yeah, no.
This guy just scares me all the time. I
What?
smack him with a belt.
Oh no!
What the heck? Okay.
You lied.
Okay.
No, I have a belt. You want me to whoop you when we get
Oh
home?
no.
First of all.
Okay. Okay. Sir, I love how you're just recording me and I'm just stuttering. Okay.
I'm recording.
This is why you're gonna be on YouTube. This is YouTube. Yeah, that's YouTube.
Oh, what's up, guys? I'm famous. Yeah. There's 11 people watching.
11 people watching you.
Okay. If I tell you,
Yeah,
will your dad care?
I don't know.
Okay, care.
Tell me.
Will you care if I tell him? So, like, that, like, okay. Oh, okay, I know. I'm just.
I don't
say
care
it.
about it. Just talk about
Okay.
it.
Say it.
Do you miss our relationship last year?
Yeah.
Oh
my god! Oh my god, Johanna is a funny boy. Oh no. Yeah. See? No, that's enough. No. Okay. Your cheeks are red. Your cheeks are red now.
Where? I don't see it.
A little bit around here.
Because I'm hot.
Yeah, go. Okay. Because people overtook you.
Hold up, I have another one. Is it good? I should bring it.
Are you sure you didn't miss it? Are you sure?
No.
Are you sure?
How about you? Exactly.
Yes.
Maybe. I'm just kidding. I mean, maybe.
So, I seen you last year, right? But you look much different.
Okay.
Good or bad?
Hello, how are you?
I've been went.
Yes.
I've been went to Han and I feel this. Girl, you're the weirdest.
Okay.
I ain't the real one.
Okay.
I didn't beat people up.
Okay, yeah, you need to go.
Wait, is that YouTube or Facebook?
That's YouTube.
Ah, you only got one like.
Yeah. I will come
Not
later,
me.
don't worry.
Hey, this video's okay night. Okay night.
Yeah. Okay. That's
Great. You
Hey, you'll see my sister dancing. Yeah, which one? I know.
Oh yeah, I saw a video of you twerking.
What? No. When?
What you just before?
okay.
I saw a video of you.
Okay, now
I
Yang
don't remember
time.
that.
So yeah. Pay first.
Pay first. $5. Ooh, maybe I can get one. Maybe not. I'm going to McDonald's.
What?
McDonald's down there with my boys.
Look at that for Yang. Right. Oh no!
David. Joseph.
Oh
Wait,
wow,
let's
that's a
record
big
the rest
one.
Of this.
Yeah.
Record the rest of it.
I have one
Where are you going? So yeah, it's getting something now. Let's see.
Wait, so I'm gonna stay with you the whole time?
Yeah.
Nice! So I'm gonna be my best friend. My,
Okay,
my
let's see.
favorite pastor.
Okay, let's see.
Church.
Yeah.
Damn, that's big!
So Yang is getting that. Wow.
Do ASMR.
Oh no.
What?
Can you hold on for me a little bit? I just
ASMR.
push. I pressed the wrong one.
Sorry, guys.
I think he went to.
He's crying because he misses you.
Oh, that's a big one. Yeah.
That's bigger than your head. Oh, he was crying. He was crying.
What?
Are you crying? Why?
I was screaming because I was scared. What did you do?
your time? Yeah.
Wait, hang on. Let me just do something.
Hello. You want to get something? I'll buy you. Come on. Let's go.
No.
I'll buy for her. What? I won't break it. I'll get you.
Finally! Yes, sir.
Yeah. Lisa, I might have something to buy. Got to pay.
Yo.
Bye. Kamata people woman car. Do parts okay? Get it for yourself, okay? I love you, right? I'll pay for you, right? But make it cute here, right? Don't get scared.
Stop.
Yeah.
I look young.
What?
I look young because people call me young because like I ate mango.
Oh, is it? Okay. Yeah, Chana, do you have another $5 in there? No?
No, you don't have.
Can you borrow me the $5?
No.
I'll pay you back. Because
You say that all the
because we need to pay for her ahead. Just pay yours and I'll give you back. Pay $5, right? $5? Okay. Thank you. I'll give you back. 慢慢哈，这笔不借你。No. Oh, you get it right? So, where is Jonan? Jonan! Oh, where is he?
Yeah, down
Ah.
there, bro.
Johanan! Video record 돼. 그 소디복 하다 비디오 가살라 해.
물론 아침에 그 밑에 수한 그 비트네. 물론 피지 그 내가 다 포장 그 밑에. 근데 뭐 좀 치가 그 소디 그 해가는 뭐 누티 로스 보다 다시. 그거 한 시간 또. 안 오는 소디 보셔서. Hello, Elizabeth. Lily, are you okay? Elizabeth, come on, yeah. High five. Elizabeth, Lily, high five. Hello.
Come on.
Jirai, come here. Jirai, come here. Come. I want you to talk. Come on. Come here. Abang, Tiago, bang. Tiago, come here. Ruth, want to talk? Yeah, I'm going to. Okay, let's Ruth talk first, and after that, Jirai, right?
Okay, so
Yeah, is it? Wait, just a little bit.
hey, don't zoom in my face.
No. Yeah, I
Oh,
zoom out.
you look so good here.
So cute.
Yeah.
Why are you guys lying?
No.
Come on.
Yeah, Ruth is going to talk about it. How do you feel? Yeah.
This is
Vomtu and who's the blue?
Aibur.
Aibur, yeah. Okay, one
Okay, so
thing.
I don't really care about them. But
Hey, who do you vote for?
who's gonna win? Bongtu's gonna win, guys.
What about Longtang? What about Kabung?
Kabung, they're not playing.
Yeah.
They're not that good, guys.
Okay.
Especially.
Okay. All right. Okay. Let wait. Jiren, wait.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you look good here too.
Okay. Wait. Wow. Jiren, you are so beautiful. I know.
Guys,
Jiren.
don't cancel me,
Yeah,
please. My
wait.
please don't cancel me.
Okay.
I love you guys.
Yeah. Wait.
Wait.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
I know you guys are gonna win the soccer
Yeah.
tournament. I'm sorry, this is just me being honest. Okay, I love you.
Yeah. Sure.
Cancel her.
Don't cancel me.
Wait. Okay. Wow.
I think Nuka's gonna win.
Wow.
Maybe she didn't win
This
last
is so good.
time, but she's gonna win this time.
Yes.
Jacob, well,
Cancel her.
no, I can't. Wait, sure. Okay, later. Okay. Later. So, Jacob, let's check. Yeah.
How was it?
I was so cold. I was like this.
Yeah.
I was like this the whole time.
What? Xie Lai? Okay.
My hair was like this.
Okay. Jacob.
Now we're doing an interview.
Jacob, talk more. Oh, you, come on. Jacob, talk more. Yeah.
Okay, tell us, who do you think is gonna win, Till?
Yeah.
I think for Ivor, right?
Yeah.
I think Bongtu's gonna win. No, wait, no, that's Ivor. Over there, that's Ivor. This is Shippy.
Oh, CP and 1-2, yeah. They got the same uniform. Okay.
Shippy's good.
Yeah. So let's predict for this year. So
Wait, let me come
yeah.
This year, I think we know who wins. I think
Yeah,
we
let's-
win 3, 2, 1, Lakers!
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about soccer first. Let's talk about soccer first. Who will win soccer this
Who
year?
will win soccer,
Guess.
like the whole
Yeah.
thing?
Yeah.
3. No, who do we play?
Later.
Not being biased.
Yeah.
Okay, this is not biased or anything, but I think that Bongtu is gonna win again this year.
Yeah.
Always win.
You read? Look this side. Okay. Then what about Jire? Later. Then what about female volleyball? Yeah. Huh? No. Kabung. Yeah, they said that Kabung, village are very hopeful that they might win. Yeah.
I hope that they're gonna win this year.
Let, yeah.
You haven't seen the Laker girls play. They have been training really hard.
Yeah.
Hard work pays off.
Yeah. I heard that. Yeah. You guys practice every night, almost every night. Yeah.
My coach is too, and I think they're gonna win this year.
Yeah, come on. Yeah. Thank you. All right.
Don't miss me too much.
Sure.